Hello everyone and welcome to EduShri. In this video, we are going to learn about Part B, Computer Vision from Central Board of Secondary Education Class 10 Artificial Intelligence, Subject Code 417. Computer vision is an exciting field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to see, understand, and interpret visual information, such as images and videos. Just as humans use their eyes to observe and understand the world around them, computer vision allows machines to process and understand visual data. In this chapter, we will learn about the basic concepts of computer vision, how images are represented inside a computer, pixels and resolution, image processing, convolution, and convolutional neural networks, also known as CNNs. We will also explore some important real-life applications of computer vision. So, let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of computer vision. In this video, we will cover 5 important topics related to computer vision. First, we will understand what computer vision is and how it enables computers to understand and interpret visual information. Second, we will learn about common computer vision tasks and how computer vision is used to perform different types of visual analysis. Third, we will understand how computers see images with a focus on pixels and color. We will learn how an image is represented digitally and how computers process the information contained in it. Fourth, we will study feature extraction and convolution. We will understand how important features, such as edges, shapes, and patterns, can be identified from an image. Finally, we will learn about convolutional neural networks, commonly known as CNNs. These are special types of neural networks that are widely used for processing and understanding images. So, these are the 5 major topics that we will cover in this computer vision lesson. Now, let's begin with our first topic. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to see, process, and understand visual information from images and videos. Just as humans use their eyes to observe objects, identify faces, recognize patterns, and understand their surroundings, computer vision enables computers to perform similar tasks using cameras and digital images. In this topic, we will cover 2 important skills. First, we will understand the difference between computer vision and image processing. Although these 2 terms are related, they are not the same. Image processing mainly focuses on modifying or improving an image, whereas computer vision goes a step further by helping a computer understand and interpret what is present in the image. Second, we will explore some real-world applications of computer vision. Computer vision is used in many areas, such as facial recognition, medical imaging, self-driving vehicles, security systems, retail, and many other everyday applications. So, let's first understand the difference between computer vision and image processing. Now, let's understand what computer vision actually means. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and computer systems to extract meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. The main goal of computer vision is to allow machines to see, observe, and understand the world around them. Once the computer understands what it sees, it can take appropriate actions or even make recommendations based on that understanding. We can think of a computer vision system as being similar to human vision. For example, our eyes collect visual information from the surroundings. In a computer vision system, a camera or sensor performs a similar function by capturing visual information. Our brain then processes and interprets what our eyes see. Similarly, in computer vision, the computer and its algorithms process and interpret the information captured by the camera or sensor. So, In simple words, computer vision helps computers see and understand visual information, much like humans use their eyes and brain to understand the world around them. Now, let's understand the difference between computer vision and image processing. Although these two terms are closely related, they are not the same. Image processing is a subset of computer vision. It mainly focuses on processing raw images to enhance or modify them. For example, image processing can be used to correct the brightness of an image, adjust its contrast, or change its color tones. On the other hand, computer vision is considered a broader field. It goes a step further by helping computers understand and interpret the content of an image. For example, computer vision can be used to detect objects in an image or recognize handwriting. So, the main difference is simple. Image processing focuses on improving or modifying an image, whereas computer vision focuses on understanding and interpreting what the image contains. Therefore, we can say that image processing is a part of computer vision, while computer vision uses image processing along with other techniques to understand visual information. Now, let's look at some real-world applications of computer vision. Computer vision is already a part of our daily lives in many different ways. First, we have facial recognition. Facial recognition is used for security in smartphones and can also be used for taking attendance in schools. It helps a computer identify or verify a person by analyzing their facial features. Next, we have face filters. The fun filters that we use on social media applications such as Snapchat and Instagram make use of computer vision. The technology can detect a face and track different facial features to apply effects or animations. Another important application is self-driving cars. Computer vision is a core technology that allows autonomous vehicles to see and understand their surroundings. It helps the vehicle identify roads, obstacles, other vehicles, pedestrians, and traffic conditions so that it can navigate safely. Computer vision is also widely used in medical imaging. It helps doctors analyze medical scans such as X-rays and magnetic resonance imaging scans. Computer vision can assist in identifying patterns and abnormalities in medical images and can also help create interactive three-dimensional models from two-dimensional scans. Another useful application is the Google Translate app. It uses computer vision to read text in a foreign language through the phone's camera and translate it into another language in real time. So, from smartphone security and social media filters to self-driving cars, medical imaging, and language translation, computer vision has become an important part of modern technology and our everyday lives. Now, let's move on to our second topic, common computer vision tasks. Computer vision systems perform several important tasks to understand and analyze visual data. The first task is classification. Classification is the simplest computer vision task. Here, the system assigns a single label to the entire image. For example, if an image contains a cat, the system may identify it by saying, "This is a picture of a cat." The next task is classification plus localization. In this task, the system not only identifies what the object is, but also determines where the object is located in the image. Usually, the object is identified by drawing a box around it. The third task is object detection. Object detection is a more advanced task. It involves finding and identifying multiple objects within a single image. For example, a system may identify a car, a person, and a bicycle in the same image. Finally, we have instance segmentation. This is a highly detailed computer vision task. The system identifies every individual object and also determines the specific pixels that belong to each object. So, the four important computer vision tasks we have discussed are classification, classification plus localization, object detection, and instance segmentation. As we move from classification to instance segmentation, the level of detail and understanding provided by the computer vision system increases. Now, let's move on to our third topic: how computers see images, pixels, and color. To a computer, an image is not really a picture in the way humans see it. Instead, a computer represents an image as a collection of numbers. Let's understand this step by step. First, we have pixels. A digital image is made up of thousands or even millions of tiny dots called pixels. A pixel is the smallest unit of information in a digital image. These pixels are arranged in a two-dimensional grid to form the complete image. Next, we have resolution. Resolution refers to the total number of pixels in an image. It is usually described using the width and height of the image. For example, an image with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 contains 1920 pixels across its width and 1080 pixels in height. Now, let's understand pixel value. Each pixel has a numerical value that represents its color and brightness. In a standard 8-bit grayscale image, the pixel value ranges from 0 to 255. A value of 0 represents black, while a value of 255 represents white. Values between these two represent different shades of gray. Finally, let's understand the difference between grayscale and RGB images. A grayscale image uses one value for each pixel to represent a shade of gray. On the other hand, a color RGB image uses three values for each pixel. These three values represent red, green, and blue. By combining different amounts of red, green, and blue, a computer can represent the wide range of colors that we see in digital images. So, in simple words, computers see images as numbers arranged in a grid, where the numbers represent information about the pixels, including their brightness and color. Now, let's move on to our fourth topic: feature extraction and convolution. To make sense of an image, a computer vision system first needs to identify the important features present in that image. Let's first understand what an image feature is. An image feature is a significant piece of information in an image. It can be a sharp edge, a corner, or a distinct object. Corners are considered very useful features because they are unique and can be easily tracked by a computer vision system. Now, let's understand convolution. Convolution is an important mathematical operation used in computer vision to extract features from an image. It works by sliding a small matrix, called a kernel, over different parts of the image. The values present in the kernel determine what type of feature the system is looking for. For example, different kernels can be used to detect edges, create a blur effect, or increase sharpness in an image. In simple words, feature extraction helps identify important patterns in an image, while convolution is a technique that helps a computer vision system find those patterns. This process plays a very important role in understanding images and is also a fundamental concept behind convolutional neural networks. Now, let's move on to our fifth and final topic: convolutional neural networks, commonly known as CNNs. A convolutional neural network is a special type of deep learning algorithm that is highly effective for analyzing visual data, especially images. A CNN is designed to process images in a way that is somewhat similar to how the human brain processes visual information. It uses several specialized layers to identify and understand different features in an image. Let's understand the basic process shown here. First, we provide an image as the input to the convolutional neural network. For example, the input image shown here contains a car. The CNN then processes this image through different layers. The first important stage consists of the convolution layers. These layers use filters or kernels to identify important features in the image, such as edges, shapes, and patterns. Next, the information passes through the pooling layers. Pooling helps reduce the size of the information while retaining the most important features. Finally, the information is passed through the fully connected layers. These layers use the extracted features to make a prediction about what is present in the image. The output is usually represented using probability values for different classes. For example, for the image shown here, the CNN may predict a 70% probability of a car, a 20% probability of a truck, and a 10% probability of a bicycle. Since the car has the highest probability, the system would classify the image as a car. Therefore, a convolutional neural network follows a basic process: input image, feature extraction and processing, and finally classification or prediction. CNNs are widely used in applications such as image classification, object detection, facial recognition, medical image analysis, and many other computer vision tasks. So, convolutional neural networks are one of the most important technologies that enable computers to understand and analyze images. Now, let's understand the different layers of a convolutional neural network, or CNN. A typical CNN uses several specialized layers to process an image and make a prediction. First is the convolution layer. This is the first major layer of the network. It applies different kernels or filters to the input image to extract basic features such as edges, shapes, and colors. The extracted information is represented as feature maps. These feature maps help the network understand the important patterns present in the image. Second is the ReLU layer. ReLU stands for Rectified Linear Unit. This layer processes the feature maps by removing negative values and keeping the positive values. This helps the neural network learn important patterns more efficiently and improves its ability to learn complex features. Third is the pooling layer. The pooling layer reduces the size of the feature maps. This helps reduce the amount of computation required by the network while still retaining the most important feature information. In other words, pooling helps the network become more efficient without losing the key information needed for recognition. Finally, we have the fully connected layer. This is the final stage that uses the features extracted by the earlier layers to make a prediction. It can classify the image into a particular category, such as dog, cat, or car. So, the basic flow of a CNN can be remembered as convolution, ReLU, pooling, and fully connected layer. Together, these layers help a convolutional neural network process an image, identify important features, and finally make a prediction. So, this brings us to the end of our lesson on Part B, Computer Vision from Central Board of Secondary Education Class 10 Artificial Intelligence, Subject Code 417. In this lesson, we learned what computer vision is and how it enables computers to understand visual information. We also discussed the difference between computer vision and image processing, explored several real-world applications of computer vision, and learned about important computer vision tasks such as classification, localization, object detection, and instance segmentation. We then understood how computers represent images using pixels, resolution, and color values, and learned about feature extraction and convolution. Finally, we studied convolutional neural networks, their different layers, and how they help computers analyze images and make predictions. I hope this lesson has helped you understand the important concepts of computer vision in a simple and clear way. The PDF notes are available in the description box. You can also scan the QR code shown on the screen to access the notes. For more information, you can contact Edushri at contact@edushri.in. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Edushri.